This is item number 10990 with M&M Equipment Corp. Here we have a Hollymatic 180 Alpha mixer grinder. It features all stainless steel construction, a 200-pound capacity hopper, size 52 stainless steel cut group. Has a fitted Gemini side port, 7.5 horsepower motor running off of 220 volts, 3-phase. Has a grind capacity up to 2,400 pounds per hour. We'll give you a little demonstration. This one is currently fitted with an optional foot pedal. You work by pressing the emergency stop. That. Now we'll turn it on. It also has a lid safety switch. If you open it, machine stops. Again, this is item number 10990 with M&M Equipment Corp. This unit has recently been refurbished and ready to ship.